Hello everyone, is your car struggling with rough shifting, slipping gears, or getting stuck in limp mode? If your OBD-II scanner shows code P0768, Shift Solenoid D Electrical, it means your transmission isn't shifting properly due to an electrical issue with the solenoid. Ignoring this can lead to major transmission failure. In this video I'll explain what P0768 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, where to locate the key sensors and components so you can fix it. Let's get started. What is P0768? The P0768 trouble code is triggered when the powertrain control module, PCM, detects an electrical problem with Shift Solenoid D. This solenoid plays a crucial role in shifting gears, and when it fails, your car may struggle to shift smoothly. Ignoring this problem can lead to harsh or delayed shifting transmission, slipping or failing to shift gears. Check engine light and transmission warning light on limp mode, car stuck in one or two gears. Overheating transmission, poor fuel efficiency. If you're facing any of these symptoms, let's locate the key components. Sensor and component locations, where to find them. To properly diagnose P0768, check these components. Shift Solenoid D location. Inside the transmission valve body, near the transmission fluid pan. Function, controls hydraulic pressure for shifting gears. Transmission fluid pressure, TFP. Sensor location, mounted on the transmission case near the valve body. Function, monitors fluid pressure and assists with gear shifts. Transmission input, speed sensor, ISS sensor. Location, found on the transmission housing, near the input shaft. Function, measures the speed of the input shaft and sends data to the PCM. Transmission control module, TCM. Powertrain control module, PCM. Location, usually near the engine bay, firewall, or under the dashboard. Function, sends electrical signals to control the shift solenoids. Wiring and connectors location, runs between the solenoids, sensors, and PCM, TCM. Function, transfers electrical signals. Damaged wiring can cause solenoid failure. Common causes of P07681, faulty shift solenoid D. The solenoid could be stuck or have an internal electrical failure. 2. Low or contaminated transmission fluid. Dirty fluid can clog the solenoid leading to failure. 3. Wiring or connector issues. Corroded, frayed, or disconnected wires can cause a loss of power. 4. Faulty transmission fluid pressure sensor. Incorrect readings can affect shifting. 5. PCM-TCM failure. A software glitch or hardware issue may prevent proper solenoid control. 6. Internal transmission damage. Worn clutch packs or valve body issues can cause this code. How to fix P0768? Step 1. Check the transmission fluid, ensure it's clean and at the correct level. Step 2. Inspect Shift Solenoid D. Test its electrical resistance using a multimeter. Step 3. Examine the transmission fluid pressure sensor. Compare its readings to factory specs. Step 4. Inspect all wiring and connectors. Look for corrosion, loose connections, or damage. Step 5. Test the input speed sensor, ISS. Ensure it's providing accurate data. Step 6. Scan for PCM-TCM errors. Update or reprogram if necessary. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and check if the issue persists. Final words. A failing shift. Solenoid D can severely impact your transmission's performance, so fixing P0768 early can save you expensive repairs. Always maintain your transmission fluid and check for electrical faults to keep your car running smoothly. For more car repair tips, check out these videos next. P0402, exhaust gas recirculation, EGR, excessive flow, detected. P0403, exhaust gas recirculation, EGR, circuit malfunction. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.